Now, before you even go out there to start promoting your ebook, the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you have your keywords, okay? So you want to find keywords that people are already actively searching for on the internet around your products or your ebooks that you're trying to sell. So as an example, the book I'm trying to sell right now is a book around helping people generate passive income, start an online business, work from home, create a side hustle. These are all keywords that, you know, I'm wanting to target. These are the keywords that I want people who are searching for these keywords to find my book, right? Because these are the people who are going to benefit the most from my book. So you want to start asking yourself the question, right? The book that I've just written, the book that I've just published, the books that I'm uploading out here on the internet, the question, what problems are your books solving for your customer, right? So in my case, for example, I know that 9 Keys to Passive Wealth can help you start your online business, generate passive income, create a side hustle, work from home, become your own boss, you know, help you with affiliate marketing, help you with drop shipping, help you with ebooks, writing ebooks. So these are all problems that this book is going to solve for somebody out there, right? So I want you to take a list, okay? List down 10 things or 10 problems that your book solves, and you can also look into it from a perspective of the different topics that your book covers. So if you're offering things like, you know, weight loss tips, for example, 10 ways to lose weight with exercise, now you can start looking into keywords that have to do with exercise and weight loss, right? And then you can then refer people to your book as a way to get even more information. So think about what type of, you know, the different chapters that your book is currently covering right now, and then you can also use that as a way of gauging what problems your book is likely to solve for your customer, okay? So when you've listed down those 10 different things or 10 different problems or 10 different solutions that your book actually solves for your customers, so if you want to come onto the Google Keyword Planner here, okay? So you have your 10 keywords, right? So what you want to do is you want to come on here and type in the keywords. So first of all, 9 Keys to Passive Wealth is going to help someone create passive income, right? So I'll do passive income and then hit space. I'll do side hustle, space. So just think about the main sort of keywords. I would say 2 words, right, that your book sells. Start an online business. So what we're doing now is just summarizing it with the keywords here, right? And if you don't have 10, that's fine. You can start with 5, okay? You can start anywhere from 5 to 10. It doesn't have to be 10, just depending on the length of your book, of course, okay? So again, you can help people create multiple streams of income, right? That's what problem my book actually solves for people. What else? It can help people get more customers, right, to their business. That's another keyword. Okay, and then once you type a keyword, just do a comma, okay, like this, and then a space, okay, and then that's going to highlight it in blue. And then it also helps people with building a sales funnel, right? So these are all things that my book is going to help solve for my customers. So let's just leave it at that, and let's just do get results. So what's going to happen now is the Google keyword tool is going to go out there and find all the different keywords that are relevant to this key terms that I just put up here, okay? As you can see, passive income has about 100K to 1 million monthly searches, okay? Because what we're trying to do is we're trying to create content from a perspective of what people are searching for on the internet. So you can see, look at all that, guys. Look at all these content ideas. Online jobs from home, Amazon remote jobs, online jobs, work from home, online work from home, no customer. So many different keyword ideas of topics now that you can start creating. Okay, these are things that people are searching for, guys. This is not just guesswork. Okay, these are things that people are searching for, right? Look at this. And one thing I would say that you guys should look at is the long tail keyword. So anything from 5 words plus is great. And look at this one, work from home jobs, no experience. It's got 10K to 100K searches every single month. Now, I know that my book is going to help people work from home, right? Even if they have no experience, because that book is going to teach them how to work from home, even if they have no experience. You got that? So now I can create content offering people tips on how to work from home with no experience. And if they need more help, they can read my book, right? Side hustles from home. That's not the best work from home jobs. Work from home jobs for freshers. Look at that. Earn money from home. Look at that. Part-time work from home. Google is telling us that 10,000 to 100,000 people are searching for this keyword on the internet every single month, right? So what better way to create content than just creating content based on what people are already searching for? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a note of that keyword. And next question now is, how do you find the content, right? How do you start creating content on ways to generate passive income? Because that's going to take you a lot of time trying to come up with the ideas. Guess what? We now have a software called ChatGPT. Okay, I love ChatGPT, guys. I love ChatGPT. You can see I've been using this tool for the longest time. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come on here, and this tool is free, by the way, is artificial intelligence, and you can actually use it to create content. You can use it to do so many different things, do your research, do so many different things, but I like to use it to generate content ideas. So if I just go on here and I just type in ways to generate passive income and I do a search, watch the magic happen, guys. Look at that. So we just got 20 ways to make passive income in, has it been a minute? It hasn't even been 60 seconds, guys. 20 ideas, okay, on how to generate passive income. Look at that. So now we have this content. What next, right? So here's the meat and potatoes of this whole entire thing, guys. When you gain access to the content on ChatGPT, you don't want to just copy and paste the content everywhere, right? You want to convert this content into videos. And the reason for that is because video content is ranking at the top of the search engine. If you go, Instagram now is prioritizing Instagram Reels. YouTube is prioritizing YouTube Shorts, right? TikTok videos. And when I talk about videos, I'm not talking about you doing the whole YouTube video, 15 minutes long, going through every single one of the steps. Now, you can do that. Okay, if you can do that, absolutely. I could go on and do a YouTube video just talking about all these different passive income streams, 20 ways to make passive income on the internet. And if you guys want to find the easiest way to get started, here's my book, right? I could do that, but the thing is, shorts are actually performing better than long form video content now. People don't have the time and the patience anymore to watch a 15-minute video. They want to see a 60-second video that answers their questions like yesterday, okay? So it is a bad thing, but you know, what can we do? That's exactly what's trending right now. That's what people want to see. Okay, so now we have our content ready to go. The next thing that you want to do, guys, is you want to turn this text into a short video. Okay, and the best way to do that, guys, is to use the platform canva.com. Now, there's a ton of different AI software that you can use out there to kind of do things even faster, but I do recommend Canva because with the AI video converter software out here, you have to go in and manually kind of change some of the things, you know, to kind of look right and make sense for you. Okay, so what I will recommend is that you use Canva. It's free, guys. It's free to join Canva. And then what you want to do is you want to go on here and just type Rails. So what's going to happen is Canva is going to bring up the Instagram Reels video dimension, okay? So this is pretty much the size of the Instagram Reels, which is the exact same size for TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest idea pins, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels, and things of that nature. So what you want to do is you want to find a template here of your choice, or you can go and actually create a blank template from scratch if you prefer, okay? But I like to go with, you know, ready-made templates because it's just easier to edit something that is already there versus trying to create something from scratch. So let's just say I wanted to use this one as an example. Let's just go here. Okay, and then I'll just go customize this template. Okay, I do like the look and feel of it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go on and basically edit whatever content is there right now. Okay, so now I can put the topic as 5 ways to generate passive income. And you can even change the video if it doesn't look right. Okay, 5 ways to make, make passive income online. So there we go. There's our title right there. And you can kind of play it and see what it looks like. I'm going to remove this as well, delete that, and delete that. And then now you can have another template. You can even have things like elements here, guys, just kind of playing around, right? So let me just go and show you guys how you can do this even easily. So I'm going to go and I'm just going to remove this, remove all of this, and show you guys how I like to do it. So if I remove all of this, remove all those things, and then let's bring the video a little bit to here a little bit. And then what I like to do, guys, is I like to go to Elements, right? And then I would just click on the rectangular shape right here. And I'll just put it here so you can see. And then I'm just going to go here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the transparency of that video. So it's still going to be playing in the background, but it's not the main sort of focus. As you can see, it looks slightly blurry now because I want the attention to be on the actual content that's coming here. Okay. And you can see you can increase the length here as well, as you can see. Okay. So I'm going to go on here. I'm going to change that to, let's make it color. Let's do black, and then we're going to do white text on top of it. So because I'm sharing 5 ways to make passive income, I'm going to duplicate this 5 times. Okay, actually, I'll do it one at a time. So if I just go on here, and then if I go to the text, because now we want to add some text, and then I just click here and just move the text in there. Once you've done this, you know, a few times, guys, it's going to be very, very easy. It's almost going to be like second nature. And I also recommend that, you know, you can spend some time, just find a day in the week that you have some free time. So for me, it's a Saturday. Then you can use that day to create, you know, 5 reels that you are going to be sharing over the course of the week. That's how easy it can be done, guys. So for the next 5 days, you're going to have content that you're going to share on your Instagram, Facebook Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, Idea Pins. Those are 5 platforms now that you can spread this video across and use that to promote your ebook, okay? So let's go back to ChatGPT and see what the first one is. Let's go investing in stocks. So I'm just going to go there, one, investing in stocks. So that's one right there. And then again, I'm going to go and let's increase the size a little bit so people can see it, and I'll just bold that. And then what I'll do is I'll duplicate this because we're trying to create 5 different points. Login. Let's go here, 3, let's do number 3. Oops. I'm just going to change the color because I want it to be consistent with, you know, what we have. So I'll just change that to red. And the reason for that is because I want it to be consistent with the cover, because it just looked a bit all over the place. So you can also use your branding colors. Yeah, this is a great place to use your branding colors. If your branding colors are, I don't know, purple and yellow, then you want to kind of incorporate that there as well, just so it maintains that consistency. And people actually, sometimes people will start to identify your content based on the colors that you're using. That's all part of branding, and it's really, really important, okay? So let's go to the next section. So we've provided the content, right? So you have intro, you have the value-based content, and then the outro should be the call to action. Very important, guys. This is where you're going to be sending people to your book, okay? So here, of course, I'm going to have something that says, grab your copy of this book to learn how to create passive income even faster. very important to have a call to action. People create amazing content, but unfortunately, they don't tell people what to do next. Okay, so let's go back. Let me go and do the call to action. Grab your copy of this book. And then you can have your website. Okay, so I'm just going to move this a little bit because it seems too far apart. Okay, guys, so like I said, this is something that I do not recommend that you do every single day. You want to find time a day in a week that you're free, and then you can use that day to create, say, 5 to 7 reels that you're going to be uploading over the course of the next week. That's the easiest way to do this thing without burnout, guys, okay? Create your content in advance, and then it's only going to take you a few seconds, guys, to post this thing on Reels, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest Pins, and things of that nature. So let's go ahead and just share, okay? So if I just download it, so I'm going to be downloading it as an MP4, okay? Very important, guys. Download it as an MP4, okay? Make sure all the pages are selected and then download that file. With the keyword tool, you can gain access to all those amazing content ideas based on, the problem that your ebook is obviously solving for your customers. You can get all these content ideas, use ChatGPT, guys, to create content, and then use that turn that content into video, and then you can start uploading that content on multiple websites. Okay, guess another one, passive ways to make money. I can now create another second video around this, and then I can go on and get people to, check out my book to learn more, right? So if I go passive ways to make money, and I just go on to ChatGPT and I put that there, they are going to bring me some ideas. Some of the ideas are similar, but the title is different, right? I could literally go onto my Canva right now, guys, and do exactly what I just did, okay? The content, of course, the solution is the same, but the title is different. Can you see what I mean? So some of the keywords, some of the content that people are searching for on the internet will be similar, but will be worded in a different way. So maybe somebody could be out there looking for passive ways to make money, but they're not really searching for ways to generate passive income. So now by having all these different keywords that people are searching for, I'm basically killing two birds with one stone. So I can now just do another short video around passive ways to make money, because Google is telling me that, guess what? People are searching for those keywords, right? And the answer is pretty similar. So now I'm just getting traffic from different people that are searching for different types of content. So that's just passive ways to make money, right? So now I can go back to my Pinterest. I can go back to this exact same, let's look at that exact same piece of content. I can do another video, 5 passive ways to make money. So all I'm doing right now, guys, is I'm just changing the title, okay? Passive ways to make money. I'm just changing the title, and boom, now I can go and download that video. That's 2 pieces of content right now. Okay, that's called repurposing your content. I don't have to go do another whole, put all those things together again. That's 2 pieces of content right now. I can even find more keywords here that are similar to, passive income and things of that nature. And I can create another video, just put in a different title, go on Pinterest and upload it under a different title. Make sense? And you see how easy this can, how easy it is for this to go viral without you, being on the internet 24/7. Best side hustles to make money. I can do another video now around best side hustles to make money, and then I can still do exactly this exact same thing that I just did here, guys. Different title, same solution, and then send them to my book. Right? We're just banking in on all those keywords that Google is telling us that people are searching for already. Make sense?